Hey guys, my name is Chandler with Townsend Realty Group and Keller Williams. And first, I just want to come and talk about 6 ways to lower your repair costs when selling your home. But before I do that, make sure you like and you subscribe. Our one way to lower your repair costs would be to plan, right? So that before you really do anything, right, it's really important to plan and prepare. So going into it knowing and determining what you want to repair, what needs to be repaired, and then prioritizing from there. And step number 2, or the second way, would be to really tackle the big problems first. So the major problems, the non-negotiables, and some of these can be, a crack in the foundation or electrical problems. These are something that are big problems that really need to be tackled first. And then number 3 would be, don't do more than you need to. And so, right, everyone wants that, your perfect home, or, to have the nicest home, which you should have, a great home, a nice home. But you don't want to overdo it. There are limitations within your neighborhood when kind of upgrading and doing repairs. So you definitely don't want to overdo it and overprice, because then you're just going to lose money when you go for the sale. And then the 4th way to lower your repair costs is really compare, really shop around. So you can shop around for contractors and just different people to really kind of do these repairs. Don't just go with just the first person you see or you hear about. Shop around. Make sure that they, bring the most value for what they charge. The 5th way would be, really, there's some things that you need to hire people for these special skills, but then there's others that you could probably do it yourself. So one example would be gutter cleaning. So you might not want to do it, but that's something that you could do that can just lower their repair costs for when you sell. And then number 6 would be to hire a exceptional and highly qualified agent like everybody at Townsend Realty Group and Keller Williams. And these agents will really kind of show you what needs to be repaired so that when you go to sell your home, the value will be there and you can really get the most out of your home. So that is 6 simple ways to really lower your repair costs when selling your home in Cherokee County. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much.